Snapchat not opening fix. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we easily fix problem that Snapchat doesn't work correctly. So as you can see, I can easily open Snapchat, chat with my friends, send messages, send snaps, and so on. So I fixed this problem maybe an hour ago, and I'm going to show you how can you do the same. So the first thing we need to do is just simply check our internet connection. So make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data work correctly. So then we need to open App Store or Google Play and search for Snapchat right up here. Then open the official page of the app and make sure to have the latest version, because sometimes they do not support old versions. So if you didn't upload a new version for a long time, you won't be able to use Snapchat anymore. So we need to update it to the latest version. So now we need to close and go to settings, then go to general and click on iPhone storage. On the Android, the navigation could be a little bit different. So here we need to open the Snapchat somewhere here, yeah, and then just click on offload app. So it will delete your app, but not the data. And you need to reinstall it. So click on offload once more. And after that, you'll get the button with a re-upload option. So we need to re-upload the app. Then go back and now scroll down to find all the settings for the apps, and here open the Snapchat page. And make sure that app background refresh feature is turned on, so it's really important as for opening. And after that you can simply close the settings and try to open your Snapchat, and after that your problem will be automatically solved. So you can also try to reinstall the app. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.